McDonald's bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle, but without all the carbs. Let me show you how I made it. First, we're gonna make a chaffle batter. You're gonna take 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, along with a teaspoon of vanilla. And you're gonna wanna add, this is the secret ingredient, a tablespoon of sugar-free syrup. And then you're gonna add 1 egg. And yes, I did remove the shell before I started stirring. Go ahead and give that a good mix until it's well combined. Once you have it all mixed up, you can set it off to the side. Now for the next step, you're gonna wanna dust off those mini dash makers that you've had stored in your cupboard. You're gonna spray it down with some nonstick spray and crack an egg. And yes, there's another damn shell. You're gonna add some salt and some pepper, and don't come at me, I love a ton of pepper on my eggs. Close the lid and let it do its thing. Now to the mini dash waffle maker, we are going to sprinkle some sharp cheddar cheese or whatever kind of cheese you'd like. And then the chaffle batter that we made in the beginning, you're going to pour half of that over top. Then you're gonna take some more cheese and sprinkle that on top of the batter, close the lid, and let it cook away. I like to flip my egg. I have no reason why, I just do it. Once it's cooked, you can go ahead and turn your mini dash maker off and set it aside. By then, our first chaffle should be cooked. And then we're gonna repeat the process. Spray it with some nonstick spray, add some sharp cheddar cheese and the remaining batter, and you guessed it, more cheese goes on top. Close the lid and let that bad boy cook. Once it's cooked, go ahead and pop it out, and it's time to assemble. Okay, the moment you all have been waiting for. It is time to assemble our bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle. So you wanna take one of the chaffles, put it down on a plate, add your egg, cheese, and of course, bacon. I do 2 slices of bacon, but you can do however many your little heart desires. And then top it off, and then your sandwich is good to go. If you try this, let me know.